friends, I'm Surbhi and this is typical girl Surbhi. So today I'm going to share with you how to make an homemade and handmade easy canvases. So if you buy from store, this canvas our price is so high. Like I have buy this canvas from a store and this price is 100 rupees. So if we make an handmade and homemade canvas, we can just get in a low prices. Like I have bought this 360 rupees 1 meter canvas cloth. So if we go to store and we give 360 rupees, so we will just get in 3 canvas only. But from this paper we get 10 and 20 canvases from one sheet of a paper. So ingredients are and cardboard. You can just cut it in various sizes. I have cut it in small and big sizes. Or if you don't have a cardboard, you can just take an old diary and cut out this cardboard. And from that also you can make the canvas at home. So let's begin. So I have cut down this cloth. I'm making this size canvas and I've taken the cloth bigger from this cardboard, and I have taken an paper for like this for covering the edges of the canvas cloth. So I've just made this painting for my Father's Day and I've given to my dad. And you can just also do this at home and beautiful paintings and just gift it to your dads. So let's begin. So I have taken a cardboard. So we want a glue. And yeah, this is the darker side and this is the white side. So we will be putting glue on this darker side, not on this white side, because this white side is used for painting. I'm just putting some glue on the. So I have put some glue on the cloth and I will be spreading it all over the cloth. So I have just spread all over the cloth the glue. And now I'm just taking a cardboard. So we will just put some glue on the cardboard so that it will be very, and just some glue and then I will spread it. So I have spread this glue. So I will take the board and keep it in the center of the cloth. I have put it over there, and then I will close off the edges of the canvas. If your canvas, the canvas cloth is not stuck in neatly, you can just put some glue on it. And if you don't want like this type of corners, you can just cut it off with scissors or a cutter. So I have just put some glue and I have stick all of the corners. Now I will take a page and take some glue on it. Not much glue we want, just some glue we want. And then spread out. So I have spread all the glue on this page. Now I have put some glue on the card and I will put this in the center of my canvas. So I have put this. This paper keeps the edges tight and it looks nice also in the back side. So our canvas is ready, but still it's not stuck neatly. So I am putting some hard thing on that so that the edges of this and the cloth it's stuck completely, and the gums dry neatly. So I'm just keeping some books such type of this on this for at least one day. And I'm telling an important thing that if you don't understand English, so my mother tongue is Marathi. So I've just put in a video in Marathi also to how to make a canvas board. So how is my video? And you also do something like this, like I've done for dad for my Father's Day. So if you like my video, please like my channel, comment down below and subscribe my channel. Bye.
Bye.